Hello family, are you interested in how to build your channel while you're sleeping? Stay tuned so you can learn how. In order to build your channel while you're sleeping, you need EverGreen videos. And ordinary videos, everyday videos are not EverGreen videos. You need to research before you put up your videos. I've said this time and time again in my videos. Research, research, research. Check your keywords. Get your title together. Make sure that your title is searchable. Thumbnails. Your title and your thumbnails is very, very important. Your thumbnails bring the people into your channel to watch your videos. It's the eye catcher, and you need to have a pop out thumbnail. Be very colorful. Be very colorful in your thumbnail. They're looking for the colors and not a lot of lettering. I put up videos myself with a lot of letters in it, wording in it. The best way really is no more than 4 words if you have to put words in it, because too many words that people are not going to sit and read all that. So you want it to be eye-catching that will draw them in. So have that title together, which you have researched. You just didn't go out this morning and decide to do a video about the dew was falling on the grass. So let me do a video about that right quick. And then you put up a title, dew falling on grass. What is that going to do? I'm learning this also myself. As I tell you, I have learned for myself. So your title and your thumbnail is very important. And you have to research and make sure that your videos has information, that it is entertaining, and that it is actionable, has action in it, has something to keep the people coming. Because what we're here to get is the views and that click-through rate. So you want people to watch your videos, to come back, and most of all, have a playlist so that they can see more of your videos. And in your videos, in your cards, tell them, if you wanted to learn more about how to do keywords, watch this video that I have right here. And it'll come up in your cards. Point to it and tell them to watch that. Wait till you're a little ways in your video before you say anything like that, because you don't want them to click off the video that they're watching now to go to another video. But put your cards up. You can put 2 cards up in each video. You can put an end card. Use those. They are there for a reason, to draw more people in to your channel and to look. And you want to know what kind of content is evergreen content? Let me tell you the list of the videos that you can be making that are evergreen content. Evergreen content, make sure that it is highly searchable, and it will cause your channel to grow while you're sleeping. While you're sleeping, people are looking at your videos. I have videos that I have tried to test with it and see how it would react with the evergreen contents. And I would check in the morning when I wake up and see how many views I got over the night, and you will be surprised what you can get. I tested 10 of my older videos. I went in and reworked them. I made sure that my title and my thumbnails were together, not clickbaiting. I put my title and my description, that's the first wording in my description, and my tags. My title is the first tag that I use. Always use your title as your first tag, and that is what I use. And evergreen content can cause your channel to grow forever and ever and ever. You can be off YouTube and your channel, those evergreen videos are still getting views. Now, what kind of content is evergreen? What kind of videos you need to be making that are evergreens? Reviews. I do reviews. Reviews are evergreen content. Lists, L-I-S-T-S, are evergreen content. How-to videos are evergreen contents. FAQs are evergreen contents. Those are the 4 kind of videos that you need to be making if you want to get views as you sleep, your channel to grow as you sleep, to get subscribers as you sleep. And I have done all those. I get my subscribers most of the time now is through the night. I get up and have more subscribers. What kind of content is not evergreen? Some reviews cannot be evergreen. Trendy reviews are not evergreen. You want to get lasting reviews, not something that is here today and gone tomorrow. News, that's not evergreen, because you know tomorrow is going to be something else different. News is not evergreen. Stacks, they're not evergreen. Pop culture is not evergreen. Remix, when you what is it? I can't think of the word right now. Anyway, evergreen, the ones that are not evergreen is pop culture, news, stacks, some reviews, and lists. Those are the ones that you need to stay away from. The trending topics, they're not evergreen because they're here today and gone tomorrow. You want evergreen contents is something that will last forever and ever and ever. And that is FAQs, how-to, lists, and some reviews. Those are your evergreen contents that your channel will grow while you are sleeping. And most of all, my loves, be consistent in what you do. If you can only put up 1 video a week, that is fine. You do your 1 video a week. If you can do 2 or 3, go ahead and do it. But be consistent in what you do. You want to draw people to your channel, not send them away. So be more consistent with your content. Your first 24 to 48 hours when you upload a new video is your most important time. That's when you want to get your most views. That's when YouTube is watching your video to see what your engagement is, what your views are. Make sure to pin one of your comments. If it's not the comment that you have put out, one that someone had put in your comment section, make sure that you pin a comment. That is very, very important. And answer all your comments back. We all leave the red heart, but if you can have a conversation with the person that has left you a comment, YouTube looks at that more than your red heart. So when someone sends you in a comment, answer them back. Say something back. Ask them how they enjoyed your video. Anything. That engagement in the first 24 to 48 hours is very important. And then you're going to wait. You have gotten about 30 comments and you wait till 3 days later to respond to it. You've lost time like that. You've lost. So when the first 24 to 48 hours, when you upload a video, you should set time to sit back and answer those comments that are in that video that you have just uploaded. That's your engagement. You want to keep your engagement up. YouTube looks at your engagement. So please be more mindful of these things. Don't just haphazardly throw up a video. Think you're going to get 1 million views. Then you have to go around and beg everybody on YouTube to watch your video, because you're not taking care of your own business. You want others to take care of the business for you. Put your videos up the right way. Research, research, research. And let me give you another little nugget. When you're researching, when you're checking in the search bar on YouTube, don't do it on your channel. Check out of YouTube. Go in that way. Put it in the search bar, because YouTube won't see what you're looking for at that moment. You can see, like, to put in making holiday cakes. Okay, they will come, the first ones that come up. The first one is probably your most important one to look at, but then YouTube will not have an idea of what you're looking for and what you're trying to get information for. So when you put your video up, it will get more reaction from YouTube, and then they will look at it more. So you want to go out of YouTube, go in that way, and do your research. And once you get your information, then you go back into your YouTube channel and your YouTube homepage, and you start doing your work. That's the way you do it. Okay? Okay, everybody. And if you want to learn more, read more about my tutorials about YouTube, just check out that video, that playlist I have right up here. Check out that playlist. It's a lot of different information there. And I hope that everybody can grow their channel and that it will grow beyond your wildest dream. Be blessed and prosperous. Most of all, speak those things that be not as though they were. Speak it into the atmosphere. Say what you want and you will receive it. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing.